my hope is that he's going to be in apologetic mode because the outlook for Q3 should be pretty good, and you don't want an angry rant to overshadow that.
But would that be enough? I mean, or let me put it a different way. If we had another quarter of a sort of strange earnings call similar to the last one, would that do irreparable damage for the image of Elon Musk as a CEO?
I don't know about irreparable, but it would definitely have an impact, as we saw last quarter. But, in terms of the fundamentals, I'm expecting the outlook for Q3 to be pretty good. We're forecasting about a 50% increase in revenue sequentially. It's a stretch, but I think it's definitely doable. We think they're going to show continued progress on Model 3 production, and we think they're going to guide to a profit.
Mike, what are you watching?
The pattern has been that they'll revise what they say they can do in terms of production, often revise downward. What do you think the main questions are going to be in terms of the swing factors in the quarter? I mean, how many orders and deposits on hand remain there? Is there truly demand for these products, and then what does it mean for capital raise?
Yeah, I mean, for the last 4 quarters, the focus has been exclusively on production, and I think that's about to change to market opportunity and growth. And one of the key questions from this call will be, what is the true end demand for Model 3? Because if you go online today and try to order a Model 3, you don't have to put down a deposit, and it only takes 1 to 3 months, 2 to 4 months, and some skeptics are, of the belief that the demand for the car is perhaps not as good as people were thinking. We have a different view. If you look at July results, the Model 3 was the best-selling small and mid-size luxury sedan, and we're just getting started.
Well, and when people worry and raise the question of the cash position, things like that, is that something that concerns you or not really?
Again, Wilfred, I say that's been a big part of the narrative over the last 4 quarters. But I think that's about to go away once they guide for Q3 and the market comes to the conclusion that they're going to be profitable and likely sustainably so from here on out.
We're trading around $300. What's your price target?
$450.